The Holy Martyr Ardalion, April 14th. An actor who mocks Christian baptism on stage undergoes a genuine conversion during his performance and is subsequently martyred for his public confession of faith. A heads up in the spirit of transparency. Please be advised that this content may include torture, persecution, execution. During a time when the Roman Empire subjected Christians to persecution, theatrical performances served as a form of entertainment for pagan audiences. These plays often depicted Christian beliefs and sacred rituals in a mocking manner. Among the actors who performed in such productions was Ardalion, a man known for his skill in comedic roles. He specialized in portrayals that ridiculed the sacraments and the resolve of Christians who faced death for their faith. One specific play required Ardalion to assume the role of a Christian undergoing baptism. The scene was constructed as a parody, a theatrical imitation of a sacred rite. As Ardalion proceeded with the act of receiving baptism on stage, a spiritual event unfolded within him. The grace of God, which operates beyond human intention and theatrical pretense, reached his soul. This moment, intended for public derision, became for Ardalion a genuine spiritual transformation. He experienced a true cleansing, not of stage makeup, but of his inner being, brought about by divine action. Overcome by the power of God's grace, Ardalion ceased his performance. He turned to the audience and the city prefect, declaring his newfound faith. With a voice that carried conviction, he proclaimed, "I was an actor, but now I am a Christian. I was baptized in make-believe, but now I am truly baptized. I am a Christian and I believe in the living God." This public confession was a direct witness to the truth of Christ, spoken in a place dedicated to its mockery. The audience initially believed his declaration was an elaborate part of the play, a dramatic turn in the performance. However, the sincerity in Ardalion's words and demeanor made it clear that his confession was not an act. The local governor or prefect, witnessing this unexpected turn, ordered Ardalion's arrest. He was taken into custody and subjected to interrogation regarding his sudden and public profession of faith. During the interrogation, Ardalion stood firm. He refused to retract his confession or renounce Jesus Christ. His steadfastness demonstrated the depth of his conversion. Despite threats and persuasion, he maintained his belief in the living God. This unwavering commitment was a testament to the authentic spiritual change that had occurred within him. Because of his refusal to deny Christ, Ardalion was condemned to suffer. He was subjected to severe tortures. Each trial presented an opportunity for him to recant, but he remained resolute. His physical suffering was met with spiritual endurance, showing forth the strength that comes from faith. Through these torments, Ardalion continued to bear witness to Christ, confirming the truth of his earlier confession. Ultimately, the authorities, unable to break his spirit, sentenced him to death. The holy martyr Ardalion was led to a furnace and burned alive. In this final act of witness, he offered his life for Christ, receiving the crown of martyrdom. His life, which began in theatrical imitation, concluded in genuine sacrifice and spiritual triumph. The memory of Holy Martyr Ardalion stands as an example of God's power to convert hearts and of the strength granted to those who confess his name, even in the face of death.